I'm that nigga from Trabass TV.
It's open.
Wow, man, baby.
Hey.
You know what I mean? How you find you? You ready? You ready to, you know? Yo, wait. Wait. You ready? Come now, come Peter. Hold on. Oh God.
Shit, that's my boyfriend.
What?
My boyfriend.
Oh God. Oh God.
No.
Hey, get it. Oh yeah. The kid one on that bed like cheap at this.
Jump through the window.
What?
Man, piss on, I can't come use the bathroom.
Boy, I know say me not to make no man use my bathroom and them something there, but like how you famous, you're good, man.
You forward?
Yeah, man, just
alright.
Don't piss up the toilets.
No, man, you're good, man, you're good, man.
I understand you would chop you the fuck up. It's like some chubby rasta to make a nigga like, it's over for you now.
Go on, go check out. I'm going to bomb You hear that?
Something going on here.
I was saying.
Babe, what are you doing here?
Why me what me I do here? Well, ask me no question, them batty boy sit down on my bed.
I'm Tariq.
Tariq, your bum buck like come out of the place.
I'm doing her hair.
Not Tariq, come out.
We are putting weave on them something. Come out.
Oh my God, your
Come on.
boyfriend's like that?
Hey, me back Baxter boy, you ain't no famous.
Oh my
How can
God.
a man
Come on,
this
come on,
Your boyfriend is so hostile.
Come on,
Come out.
Okay, I'ma leave.
Man, a rasta you have all them fish in that place.
Come out, tell the man now.
Okay, I'm leaving.
Hurry up and come out that place and left all the blood clots so.
Okay.
Come out.
Your body clots.
Talk to her.
How can I think that I go in that place, sir?
Talk to her.
Oh, call me, okay?
I'll call
I want
you.
to know.
Come on, time now.
How are you dealing? Them fish, they don't come in a bad man place. You know some man a Rastafari and you deal with all them batty man thing. Me ain't them something there in a babes. All the man class, bad thing, you know. Look here on my side, you send this guy to Jamaica. Babes, fix up the veggie trunks and the thing and the tofu and them something there. Make sure you put some plant in it here. Make sure you wash your body hand before you all take out your knife food, see? I got that girl, I mean, you know, where she are dealing with me, kill that girl. How the blood clot? But how are the bomb clot going in this place, sir?
I'm just saying, girl. Never mind the groupies and the fame, girl. I know it's messing with your brain, girl, but I never meant to drive you insane. Everything is still the same, girl. I want you to have my last name, girl. I'ma make you bad, but I could be your road game, girl.
And I made a